Hey guys, Russell here with A&M RC. Just figured I'd do a unbox and a build for you. Probably just going to do an unbox here and then do a build video afterwards. Thought y'all might like this. I went ahead and got me a trailer. If you can see, it's all metal. It's heavy duty. It ain't no pump. I got this off of eBay from a seller. I cannot remember who, but I will try to figure out how to leave a link in the description down below, and y'all can go there and get you one. And actually, it was cheaper than anywhere else. Same trailer, and I've seen them go for $236 to 130 something bucks, which this was. And this looks like a really good kit, really heavy duty, sturdy metal. Yeah, the ramps for the trailer, axles, the relief springs, and the mounts, everything. Man, that's heavy duty. Oh yeah, that thing's tough. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Sorry I'm not outside, it's pouring down rain and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me. And I don't like to do that, but this is what we're looking at right here. And if y'all can see, that's the trailer. They have a good parts list over here for what they got going on. And I built one. It's okay. I mean, I tried to do some mods to it and I had some issues, but you know, I've done the same thing with my RCs. I've built one, bought one, built another one after I bought one so I could do it the right way, and did the same thing with the trailers. Built one, bought one, and here we are at this point, which it looks like it's about to be fun. But let's get some of this stuff out of here and let's check it out. Alright, of course this is your wiring and your jack stand, which, if I'm not mistaken, your jack actually works. That's pretty nice. It's heavy too. I mean, it's nice. All metal. You got all your wheels and your rims right here, and it looks like they are actual bead locks. That's pretty nice. I didn't realize that. Well, it may not be bead lock. Well, yeah, I guess they would be. They squeeze the bead down right there. Anyway, got the metal ring inside. I'm guessing so. Nice, pretty firm. It won't be all squishy on you. And this looks like your weatherproof box for your electronic components. Put your little switch out the top. Oh yeah. And you got fenders. Oh yeah, that stuff's heavy duty, man. Yeah. It's metal. There ain't no pump stuff there. And the hitch, I like that. I already got an upgraded hitch too. As a matter of fact, I bought one ahead of time, and as you can see, I bought this hitch because supposedly it comes with a little rinky-dink hitch. I didn't know what kind, so I went ahead and bought it. And don't look like it's in there. Must be what's in that pack right there. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, see, I don't like that kind of hitch. It's just a ball, like for a ball joint or something, tie rod in. And I don't like this. I bought a hitch that goes on a ball, that you can pop this pin. Well, you don't pop it, you unscrew it, pull it out, this drops, you put it on there, put it back in, and then it stays on there. It don't fall apart. Then, last but not least, the trailer. Boy, that sucker looks nice. Heavy duty. Yeah. Metal. Ooh, that's nice there. Yeah, I imagine this will have a little bit of rattle, but that's fine. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That is going to be nice, guys. So, hopefully the next day or so, that video will be out, be done. And y'all get to check that out. And then the finished product, I'll probably toast something around. Everything I got but my one crawler to pull, it's too wide. My Stampede, my crawlers, the puller right now. I'm going to buy another crawler too, by the way. And I got some ideas on that. It's just going to be to pull this around, to pull the big truck. And go from there. Alright guys, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me what you think. Smash the bell button, subscribe, and see y'all next time. Later.